Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post on CapCut. So guys, if you want to post any template on your CapCut, I'll help you how to post. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to install CapCut app on your iPhone or on your Android phone. And guys, after this you have to open that app. Click on here is the option of me. So guys, simply first of all you have to sign in your CapCut with TikTok, and guys you can sign in also with your Apple ID as well. So guys, now I am going to sign in with my Apple ID on my iPhone. So guys, simply you have to enter your iPhone passcode here. As you can see, within few seconds my account will be ready. So guys, as you can see, now I have signed in on my CapCut. So guys, after this simply you have to go back, and guys you need to create a new project from here. So guys, for example, I am going to create this one. So guys, you need to select any video. So guys, for example, I am going to select this one. Click on add, and guys now you can see CapCut is on loading. So guys, now after this you have to click on here the option of export. So guys, firstly you have to do some edit if you want, and guys when you have click on export, then guys simply you have to wait for some seconds. And guys, after this you will find this type of interface here. Simply here is the option of post as template. So guys, simply you have to click on this tab, and guys after this your template will be posted on your CapCut. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.